good day. I am Nikka Andrea as Pilas, your student nurse from BSN 111G. So today I'm gonna demonstrate to you the proper hand washing. Hand washing is the most effective way to prevent the spread of microorganisms as well as to reduce the number of microorganisms in the hand. So before doing this, the equipment that we will be using are sink with warm water or running water, bar or liquid soap, tissue, and a trash can here, and also a lotion, but it's optional. So first is to stand in front of the sink, keeping hands and uniform away from the sink surface. Remember that the sink is a contaminated area, and reaching over sink increases of touching the edge, which is contaminated. Also, take off the accessories such as wristwatch like this during hand washing because microorganisms can lodge in the settings of jewelries and accessories. In addition, inspect the surface of hands for breaks, cuts in the skin because open cuts of wounds can harbor high concentration of microorganisms, and also inspect the nails if it is short because nails should be short and filed because most microbes on hands come from beneath the fingernails. Now I will turn on the water and adjust the pressure of it to avoid splashing water onto my uniform. Also, adjust the flow of the water so that the temperature is warm because warm water removes less of the protective oils than hot waters. So now, I will thoroughly wet both of my hands and the wrist with running water. Keep my hands and my forearms lower than elbows during washing, because hands are the most contaminated parts to be washed. Now I'm gonna apply small amount of soap thoroughly and rub it with my palm to palm in circular motion. Now I am going to rub the back of my hand, each with finger interlaced at least 5 times. Keep my fingertips down, right palm over left and left over right. Then I'm gonna rub my palm to palm finger interlaced. Now I am going to rub my back of my hand, each hand with finger interlock. Because interlocking and interlaced fingers ensure that all surfaces are cleansed. Next, we're gonna pay attention with the thumb and rub the thumb with rational manner. Because friction and rubbing mechanically loosen and remove dirt and seed backing. Next is to clasp the fingers and rub it into the opposite hand in a rational manner, vice versa. Then I'm gonna rub both of my wrists in a rational manner. Continue this friction motion over about 30 seconds because the length of hand washing is determined by the degrees of contamination. So now we're done. Next is to rinse the hand and wrist thoroughly with the running water, keeping the hands down and elbows up. Rinsing mechanically washes away the dirt and microorganisms. Avoid splashing the water into your uniform because the microorganisms travel and go faster or grow faster in motion. So now, dry hands thoroughly from fingers to wrist and forearms with paper towel or clean towel, single-use cloth or warm air dry. Because drying from cleanest to least clean avoids contamination. Discard the paper towels or clean cloth if used proper in a proper receptacle. Next is to turn off the hand faucet using clean and dry paper towel or clean dry cloth to avoid faucet with hand because the faucet is contaminated area, and if we touch that, then we will do the whole process again. And that's it, the proper way of hand washing. So in healthcare settings, always remember and follow the 5 moments of hand hygiene. These are: number 1, before touching the patient. Number 2, before a procedure. Number 3, after the procedure. Number 4, after touching a patient. And number 5, after touching the patient's surroundings.